The Apollo 14 spacecraft consisted of Command Module CM-110 and Service Module SM-110, together CSM-110, called Kitty Hawk, and Lunar Module 8, LM-8, called Antares. RUSA had chosen the CSM's call sign after the town in North Carolina where the Wright brothers first flew. Antares was the star in the constellation Scorpius. In Lesson 3, you'll learn strategies used by the defense counselor to fluster, intimidate, and get you to say more than you need to, and how to overcome them. In Lesson 4, you'll learn what happens after a deposition and the role you play. Let's get started. There are 3 headings to note under conditions: item category, item type, and item comment. Line lists should be reviewed daily to monitor compliance and progress. Before we begin, here are a few suggestions to ensure that your child works through this diagnostic in the most appropriate environment. 1. Your child is well rested. 2. Your child has used the bathroom and has eaten. 3. Your child is in a room that is quiet and free of distractions.